Hey gamers, interested in a beastly 1440p rig that'll crush games like Cyberpunk with ray tracing? Let's start with NVIDIA's RTX 5060 Ti, released April 2025 with 4608 CUDA cores and up to 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 with DLSS 4 for those crazy frame increases. It's 15% faster than the 4060 Ti, so you can play games on high at 1080p or 1440p, and all for less than 180 watt TDP. Base build, smooth multitasking with AMD Ryzen 5 9600X CPU. Team it up with a B650 motherboard. You'll also want to pick up 32GB DDR5 6000 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD like the Samsung 990 Pro, and a 650-watt 80+ gold PSU. Case, opt for an Airflow King such as the Fractal Design Meshify 2. Total cost, around $1,200 or $1,300. Why? This configuration provides full utilization of 5060 Ti's AI muscles of the future for high-end gaming. Expect 100+ FPS in AAA titles with DLSS on. Pro tip, spend $429 MSRP for 16 gigabytes version if you plan to play VRAM heavy games. Build it, game on.